Hi, this is Shelley Kraft. We're coming to you live on SNNLive. We're at the NIBA conference in New Orleans 2012. Next to me is Dr. Joseph Kim, the founder of Inovio, symbol INO on the NYSE Amex exchange. Welcome, Dr. Kim, to SNNLive.
Thank you.
It's good to have you here. Now, I had the pleasure of introducing you at the NIBA conference. And, you know, we're talking about cancer vaccines. We're talking about infectious diseases. You have such a poignant science and an important technology. I want you to give our listeners, you've been here before, but I want to start from soup to nuts. Tell us a little bit about the company, just so people get so interested and listen to what you have to say.
Well, we have put together a powerful synthetic vaccine technology where we can develop multiple products against cancer, multiple cancers and infectious diseases. So we're very excited to have 3 programs in phase 2 efficacy trials where we're testing these products.
Now, you know, a lot of our viewers know about phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, and even phase 4. And, you know, so what are some of the cancers that your vaccines will be working on? What are some of the infectious diseases that are pertinent to our viewers?
Well, current phase 2 efficacy studies ongoing now are against cervical cancer and dysplasia, leukemia, both AML and CML, as well as hepatitis C therapy.
Now, explain the difference between what people think is a measles vaccine and a vaccine having to partake in the cancer and infectious diseases realm. It's not exactly the same thing.
Most preventive childhood vaccines use immune responses to generate antibodies against those bugs. For cancer vaccines or chronic immune therapies against chronic diseases, you need to generate very strong T-cell responses. And our platform, our Syncon vaccine platform, has been the most powerful platform in generating those very important T-cells in human trials.
Now, I've read information about your company over the course of time. You're not a new company. You've been involved in... I mean, what's your background?
Well, I have a PhD in vaccines, molecular biology, as well as an MBA in finance from the Wharton School.
So you know how to run a business, and you know how to run a lab, and you know how to run the business of making vaccines. We have that, that's no doubt. So if we wanted to give hope is time to market for some people, especially ones who are currently in the stress of having a disease that you're developing a vaccine for. What kind of timing are we talking about? Because I know these things don't happen overnight.
It doesn't happen overnight. What I can tell you today are some of our proof of concept, whether our vaccines are working or not, we will know by the end of this year or middle of next year. At getting our product out to the market, to the patients who need them, it could take up to 5-6 more years.
Well, you know what? I've heard more than that in many, many cases.
Well, we've been at this for a while.
Yeah. So my question is, let's give out the website, because I know that the medical field is following your every step. I know when you go to a conference, you know, the investment bankers come immediately to your booth to get more information. So let's turn on our viewership to find out more information. So what is your website?
It's www.inovio.com, inovio.com.
So, ladies and gentlemen, for more information, go right to the website at inovio.com. Follow it. Dr. Joseph Kim will definitely respond to any questions. By the way, if you want to have your medical professional contact Dr. Kim, he's very capable and will return a call or an email. And if you send it to info, I'm sure at Inovio, that it'll go right to someone who will take care of and this is important stuff. Ladies and gentlemen, Dr. Joseph Kim, Inovio, INO on the NYSE Amex. Please pay attention here. Thank you for coming on to SNNLive. Good to have you.